Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I show you how to make hazelnut latte ice. So hazelnut latte ice. First you take espresso coffee. Then this is a hazelnut syrup. You can see. Use a first I make espresso for hazelnut latte. Then we use a 3 farm hazelnut syrup. You can see 3 farm. Then we can take ice 70 ml. Then you can use almond milk, low-fat milk, fresh milk. I just use fresh milk. I just use fresh milk. Then use a double espresso. You can see it's coffee. This is a hazelnut latte ice. So everybody follow my recipe how to make hazelnut latte ice. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you.